Now here's how you can block certain websites on your iPhone. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here or first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you can open up your settings, then proceed to the screen time section, and in there you can find content and privacy restrictions. And this is the important part. You need to have that turned on, and in here you can restrict the usage of some apps or anything that you really want. So you're gonna go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and in there you can check out the web content. And if you want to set up a generic limit, you can limit adult websites. That's gonna be fine. It's gonna filter out some of the websites, right? Because unrestricted is not gonna block anything. But if you have something very specific, like a specific URL, you can enable the limit adult websites, but also decide to never allow a website which you type right in here. So if you have the URL of some website which you never want to show up on this phone, this is where you can paste it and it's gonna be blocked from now on. What you can also do inside of the main screen time section is to set up a passcode. So it depends if you are setting it up for someone else or for yourself, but in either case, you have the ability to set it up in a way that it's going to be locked with a code and nobody can change these settings without your permission. So that's another layer of security right there. So let me know if you managed to do it and block the websites that you wanted. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.